Which term best defines the word straightforward as it is used in paragraph 1 of the passage? A. Outright. B. Straight away. C. Frank. Or D. Simple. Let's begin by locating where straightforward is used in paragraph 1. How much do I need to sleep? The answer of how many hours you need is not so straightforward. As the text goes on to explain that sleep needs are very individualized and that they vary over the lifespan, we can understand that by not so straightforward, the author is telling us that the question is more complicated than we might think. With this explanation in mind, we can try replacing the word straightforward with our choices. While outright might seem like it could match with straightforward, and sometimes it can, in this context it sounds awkward and out of place. Straight away merely sounds like straightforward and doesn't share a meaning. Frank usually means honest or blunt, and in this context doesn't make much sense. It is not so simple perfectly matches the tone we're trying to convey, that this is a complicated question, and therefore D, simple, can be marked as our final answer.